Okay, tonight we're going to take the 9,000 mile 1986 Corvette Convertible out for a little run. My lovely assistant Angela behind the wheel. We've got the top up this evening, not for long, but I wanted to show you some of the features of the car with the top up. So you can see the car is just starting to get warmed up. It's right at about 120 degrees. You got a full tank of gas in there, 63 pounds of pressure. The engine's still a little bit cold, so we'll come back to that after it gets warmed up a little bit. You can see that there's no service engine light, no sensor lights out, all clean and green. The stereo works. With no static on the speakers. We're going to put the windows up now. I'm going to show you something really cool about this car. The air works. One says air never works on old cars, but there it goes. Getting down to 60, just like you like it. All the controls work, power seat, power windows. If you cycle through these, the oil temp and the voltmeter work correctly. Oil pressure and oil temperature still low because it's a nice evening here in southeast Michigan. All right, so we're gonna put the windows back down, and Angela, I want you to just punch it a little bit. Give it a little, there you go. A little bit more. No squeaks, no rattles. Just a nice 9,000 mile car. Now you'll notice you hear a little bit of an exhaust. This car has an aftermarket Monza exhaust, which is essentially a muffler delete, and it's got 4 pipes coming out the back. It's got a really nice tone, but we'll hear that again when we put the top down.